Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, do you not like what you see on your Instagram feed or explore page? In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your Instagram feed and algorithm so you can start seeing more of what you actually care about. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your Instagram and then log in to your account. Once you have logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, simply tap on this three line and then tap on your activity. Now scroll below, then tap on resend searches and then simply tap on clear all. Now tap clear all again. Now this helps you reset all your searches influence on algorithm. After you've done that, you can go ahead and simply tap on this magnifying glass icon. Now inside here, you can simply long press on the post you don't like and then tap on not interested. And just like that, do this repeatedly to teach Instagram what you don't want. After you've done that, you want to go ahead and simply visit your profile, tap on following, and inside here, simply unfollow the account you no longer want content from. This helps tailor your feed to what matters the most. Also on your main feed, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this three dot icon and then simply tap on not interested. And then tap on snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days. This tells the algorithm to avoid similar posts. Also like, save and comment on content you enjoy. The more you engage with certain type of posts, the more Instagram will show them. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll reset and retrain your Instagram feed to match your real interest. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.